In today's video, I am going to teach you how to restore load Google Chrome bookmarks from Bookmarks. This process is useful when you have exported your bookmarks before, usually as a file named bookmarks.html, and now you want to bring them back into Google Chrome. Before you begin, make sure Google Chrome is open and that you know where the bookmarks.html file is saved on your computer, such as your Downloads folder or a backup folder you created. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access settings and tools. Next, move your mouse pointer over the option labeled Bookmarks and Lists. Hovering over it will open a side menu with more bookmark options. From that submenu, click Import Bookmarks and Settings. A small pop-up window will appear. This is where you tell Chrome what you want to import and where it is coming from. In the pop-up window, click the drop-down menu. You will see a list of sources. Select Bookmarks.html file. This choice is specifically for importing a Bookmarks export file, which is typically the format used when you export bookmarks from Chrome or another browser. After you select Bookmarks.html file, click the blue Choose File button. This will open a folder window on your computer so you can browse to the correct file location. Take a moment to locate your Bookmarks.html file in your folders. If you have multiple bookmark files, look carefully at the file name so you choose the correct one. When you find Bookmarks.html, click the file once to highlight it. Then click the Open button in the bottom right of the folder window. Chrome will begin importing the bookmarks right away. Wait briefly for a success checkmark to appear in the Chrome pop-up, which confirms the import has finished. Then click the blue Done button to close the window. Finally, verify that your bookmarks are now available. Look at your bookmarks bar and find a folder named Imported. Open that folder to confirm your restored bookmarks are there and organized as expected. And that is all there is to it.